Skip the crowded fall entryway. Layer natural oak, oversized ceramics, preserved branches, and a few heirloom pumpkins at different heights. The open space between each piece creates a calm, luxury look that feels fresh for fall 2026. Instead of filling your coffee table with fall decor, create a layered landscape. Mix natural stone, smoked glass, sculptural objects, and preserved branches with just a touch of seasonal color. The open space makes every piece feel more elegant. A beautiful mantel isn't about adding more decor. Layer soft lighting, sculptural ceramics, and preserved branches while leaving open space between every object. Light becomes the main decoration, creating a warm, luxury atmosphere. Instead of decorating every room, create one place you'll actually use. Layer a soft chair, warm lighting, natural wood, books, and seasonal branches. A cozy retreat adds comfort, beauty, and a peaceful autumn feeling without adding clutter. Turn your kitchen island into a seasonal display using everyday ingredients. Layer artisan bread, fresh pears, olive branches, and handmade ceramics on warm wood and stone. It feels elegant, useful, and naturally beautiful without looking overly decorated. Create a front porch that feels like a luxury hotel entrance. Layer tall planters, warm lanterns, natural branches, and a few heirloom pumpkins. Balanced symmetry and soft lighting make the space feel welcoming long before anyone opens the door. Skip the crowded centerpiece. Layer soft linen, handmade ceramics, sculptural candles, and seasonal fruit with plenty of open space. A clean table feels warmer, more inviting, and much more luxurious than filling every inch with decorations. Luxury homes don't rely on more decorations. They rely on layered lighting. Blend daylight, warm lamps, hidden LEDs, and candlelight to create depth and warmth. The room stays the same, but the atmosphere feels completely transformed. Every small detail comes together to create a home that feels calm, warm, and timeless. Fall isn't about filling every space with decorations. It's about layering natural textures, soft light, and thoughtful styling that makes every room feel welcoming.